Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn off comments on your Facebook posts. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn off the comments on specific Facebook posts that you have, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And I want you to go ahead and tap on your menus on your profile right here next. Let's tap on our profile on our names. And I want you to scroll down to the specific post that you want to go ahead and turn up the comments up. In this case, I'm gonna turn off the comments of this post right here. What I want you guys to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner of this post, and then tap on who can comment on this post. Now, set this to basically whatever we'd like. We could also, and in this case, only set it to profiles and pages that you only mention. That is gonna do. Is this gonna limit the commenting on this post only to those people who you mention on the application or on this specific post. So that is how you guys could limit the post. And also turn off comments so that other people and your friends as well could not comment on your post. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.